Hello everyone, you're welcome to Healthy Options with Maureen. Today we'll be making a healthier version of akara. Akara is a beans cake. It's usually deep fried, but in this episode we'll be frying with our pan. So we are actually making pan fried akara. I'm using ghee to fry mine, so you can use whichever oil that works for you. Ghee is actually better because it works well with high temperatures. Come with me as we make it. I know for sure you will like this. Thank you. So for our pan fried healthy akara or pan fried healthy bean cakes, we will be needing some peeled black-eyed peas. As you can see, I peeled out the skin of the black-eyed peas and I've soaked it in water for some time, so you can see it's white tender. It's going to be easy for me to blend it up in the blender. We need some onions, pepper, a little bit of garlic. This is optional, but it helps improve the taste. We need water, salt, and ghee or any vegetable oil you need for cooking it up in the skillet. So first things first, we'll be transferring the ingredients into the blender, and the first thing that goes in, of course, is the water. I always like to add on my water first when I'm blending. Then the onions goes in, the peeled or the skinned black-eyed peas that has already been soaked and softened, it goes in as well. The peppers go in, and I'm going to add on a little bit of ghee and start cooking it up. And last but not the least, the salt goes in as well. So I'm going to cover this now and then we'll start blending. So we've arrived at the perfect texture and consistency we want. So I'll be showing you how we cook this now. I've been heating up a cast iron skillet for some time now. I'll be swirling it round so that it coats most of the sides. And so using the same blender, I will be pouring out from the blender in which I blended it. You can see, just enough to cover the base. I'm going to be smoothing it out so it gives me a level surface. I'll give it some time to cook. Now I'll come back and show you what it looks like at the base when it's ready for flipping. So usually you will know that your bean pancake is ready to flip by the time you look at the sides. You can see it's actually turning golden brown at the edges there, so that's when you know it's ready to flip. So we are going to flip this. So I'm just going to use a spoon. You can use a spatula too, whatever works for you. Now we'll give this a good flip. So I'm going to let the base cook and I'll come back and show you how I serve this. So if you notice, you can see I'm using 2 skillets to cook because I don't want to keep my family waiting. So this makes it faster. Using a bigger skillet too makes it work. So you just cook until you pierce through and you notice that your fork comes out clean. That's when you know it's cooked. I forgot to mention that while cooking this, you should cook under low heat so that it doesn't burn without being cooked through. So I'm just going to get this out of the skillet and I'll come back and show you how I serve this. So that's how I like to serve my pan fried akara with loads of yaji, homemade yaji of course. I'll be leaving the link of the recipe of this yaji or the suya spice mix in my description box, just in case you're interested. It makes the pan fried akara really nice. I hope you give this a go and let us know what your take is on this. Please, if you've not subscribed, don't forget to do so by clicking on the subscribe button. Thank you.